How to turn off autocorrect on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix and then turn off the autocorrection on WhatsApp app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now sometimes what happens is that, let's say you were simply trying to talk to someone on WhatsApp on your native language other than the language which you've set by default on your phone. And due to the autocorrect feature, it simply just corrects it to the default languages. Now this feature is actually useful, but sometimes it gets really annoying. And in order to fix this and turn off autocorrect on WhatsApp, you have to turn off autocorrect system-wide on your device itself. So whether you're on iOS or Android, the process is typically the same. You just have to locate the settings application, open it up, and then locate the option called General. So in my case, it is under the General Management. Depending upon Android version to Android versions, iOS to iOS, this option could also vary. In the end, if you don't find anything, you can also simply use the search box. As you select it over here, what you want to do is simply go to your keyboard settings over here. So just go ahead and select Samsung keyboard settings. You could be using the Google keyboard, so you could have the Gboard settings and so on. Anyhow, you just need to go into your settings application, and over here you can see this option that says auto replace. So just select it up. And if it is turned on, I just want you to turn this auto replace off. So for example, you can see it is set to English and it is set to turned on. And if this auto replace is turned on, you just have to turn it off, because when it is turned on, it is going to auto correct all of the text or words and letters you type in on your keyboard. And this is it. Now you can just go ahead and then open up your WhatsApp application and try to talk to someone in a native language, and most likely your issue would definitely have been fixed. And this is how you can turn off or fix the autocorrect on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.